With Kodiak Construction, exterior renovations have never been easier. Take a look at our quick and easy concrete pouring process.
Step 1. We demolish the existing structure to uncover our workspace. Step 2. We get ready for the pour by leveling the ground, building concrete forms, and installing steel reinforcement. Step 3.
Now we're ready to pour.
We bring out the cement trucks and lay the slabs for the new structure. After that, we just have to wait for it to dry.
And there we go, a brand new driveway.
It's beautiful, functional, and does a lot to improve the home's value. Give us a call when you're ready to transform your home with our hardscape.